Children are our future. That's why when I teach the Golding method to a parent, I feel I'm working on a better future. A future where leaders lead, listening to their heart, not their fears. Where decisions made based on confidence, not on insecurity. Where people can love and can let themselves being loved. In this workshop, you will learn all about the scientific background of the Golding method. You will learn what the sleep talk process is, and by the end of the workshop, you will see why and how this method helps to develop self-confidence, emotional balance, and the feeling of self-worth and emotional security. You also will learn a lot about how to form safe and effective affirmations that the subconscious mind accepts and incorporates for life. I will introduce you Captain Amygdala, the goulash soup of life, and the sleep spindles. Come for free and learn about this beautiful modality that should be part of every therapist's toolkit.